Feel ko very fun. Mas fun siya mas pakinggan. Tapos very novelty. Doon pa din yung sound namin na very youthful and very fun. Pero ano, mas nag-grow ba? Nagigets. Yun lang. Yung concept ano pa parang di pa talaga ganito yung concept na naisip namin. Since may plan sa amin yung Cornerstone and Star Pop Entertainment, we saved that for something more special. So ayun, and we came up for a new idea. Tapos ito na yun yung parang yun na yun, mas makita niyo. Very fun for it and right, and ayan. And for the dance naman, syempre, iiwan na natin yun kay our own choreographer, JC Desirio, and yun, siya nakapag-isip ng lahat-lahat, tapos bato-batuhan lang ng ideas and stuff. Tapos, ayun, yun lang naman ang preparation.